There are some brands and makes and models where, look, there were some really cheap and nasty brands out there that were using very cheap pipe work, very cheap O-rings, even very cheap tanks, which start rusting, so you can get a lot of crap build up in the valves, reducing flow and reducing temperature coming out at the taps. Elements, thermostats, gaskets, and O-rings are the major failings of a lot of systems out there, and the main reason why you wouldn't get hot water. So different times of the years you have different times of the year you'll have different issues, but definitely as we get into winter it's thermostats and elements specifically. So you get leaks from element gaskets and O-rings as well. All very, very straightforward and very repairable. With split systems you have issues with sensors and controllers and pumps and specific non-return valves. They're all things that we carry on board and can usually fix in the one visit. So you don't need a plumber and then an electrician. We can do both and we can repair both, and we carry all of the parts to do it in one go. In addition, if we found a fatal issue with your hot water system, we carry a temporary hot water system that we can plug in and get your hot water straight away until we have an opportunity to discuss a more serious repair or replacement of an existing system. So.